What's up everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be upgrading some pizza rolls. So let's start out by dropping these bad boys in some hot oil. We just want them to get nice and crispy, so you want to make sure you don't remove them from the fryer until they become nice and golden brown and they also start to float. Next we're just going to go ahead and put them in some sort of mixing bowl or a bowl large enough to mix it all up. I like to go ahead and season them with a little bit of kosher salt. I also like to use some garlic powder. I also like to use some Italian seasoning too. And for some extra heat, I'll go ahead and throw some red chili flakes in there. Also hit it with a little bit of salted butter. And next, I like to also grate some fresh parm in there. If you don't have fresh parm, use the jarred stuff. And also hit it with some fresh parsley. Give it a nice toss. And dip.